You're pretty hard-pressed to find a good TV that's not also a smart TV. In fact, I'm not really sure that one exists. Whether it's Google, Amazon Fire, Tizen, Roku, or WebOS, most of the big brands ship their TVs with a smart operating system built in. But there are a lot of people that, for one reason or another, prefer the idea of a dumb TV. And actually, I'm really curious. Let us know in the comments why you would or wouldn't set up your TV without the internet-based functions. Now, if you don't know, a dumb TV is just what a lot of people label a TV that's stripped of all the smart functions. No automatic connection to the internet, nothing automatically logging you into your apps, no automatic software updates, no ads. That's a good one. Just the TV homepage. Why is this appealing, you might ask? Well, some people don't want their information and viewing habits to be tracked within their TV, although more sensitive information than that is already tracked within your phone and probably elsewhere too. That's a topic for another day. What we're here to do is go through the setup process for a dumb TV. Our model today is the TCL QM6K, which natively runs Google TV. But I should note that you can follow a very similar, if not the same process to set up other TVs that run the Google TV operating system, like many Sony and Hisense models and other TCL TVs. So here's how to get things going without Google TV. Once turned on, you start by going through the usual process. Select your language, then your country, and then comes the fork in the road. With Setup Google TV highlighted, we could see what features would normally be enabled. Movies, TV shows, and streaming apps, personalized recommendations, courtesy of your habits, of course, and Google Assistant when you use voice commands. When we navigate down to Setup Basic TV, you're left with just the bottom two options available: Live TV and External Devices. None of the fancy stuff that relies on the internet. So, to set up the dumb TV, that's our choice. The next screen, it almost got me. Almost got me. That's where you select a Wi-Fi network. And I almost did it by mistake. But in the essence of setting up a true dumb TV, we're gonna bypass Wi-Fi by scrolling all the way to the bottom and selecting Skip. From there, you'll be prompted through a few more screens, including pairing the remote, though again, the voice search feature won't be available in the basic TV mode. Once you're on the home page, it is indeed very basic. You've got the TV, the inputs, and a handful of apps already installed. But obviously, they don't function since we opted out of connecting to Wi-Fi. For those of you that have already set up your smart TV but now want to make it a dumb TV instead, you will need to perform a factory reset. On this TCL model, we'll go to the All Settings menu, navigate down to System, then About, and then Reset and Factory Reset. Most TVs will also give you a few extra prompts to make sure that you know that you're completely erasing and resetting everything. Should you choose to come back to the year 2025 and live life with the advancements technology has afforded us, you can turn on the Wi-Fi and sign into Google TV and use all the smart TV functions at any time. But until then, this is basically a big monitor that will rely on your external devices to play content. So, hook up your PlayStation or Apple TV 4K or whatever devices you prefer that definitely don't have any of your information. Jokes aside, setting up a dumb TV is handy sometimes, especially if it's at a rental property or storefront or somewhere there will be a lot of different users. But at home, a big part of what you're paying for within the TV is its operating system and picture processing. Yes, you can still get top-tier quality out of your external devices, and if it's a high-end Blu-ray player, for example, you're getting better quality than streaming. But you paid for the TV. Let the TV do the work. But that's just my 2 cents. Hope you found this video helpful. Like I said, feel free to educate me in the comments when it comes to why a dumb TV may work for you. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you next time.